Most people won't miss AI opportunities because they're lazy. They'll miss them because they're learning AI in the wrong order. AI is not one skill, it's a stack. And without a roadmap, people jump between tools, tutorials, and trends without ever becoming useful. In this video, I'll show you a simple end-to-end way to learn AI agents without hype, without shortcuts, just structure. Why most people get stuck? Most people jump from prompting to tools to agents without understanding how things connect. That's not a motivation problem, it's a structure problem. You don't start with agents, you don't start with automation, you start with foundations. Phase 1, Foundations. Gen AI plus RAG. This phase is about understanding what actually powers AI systems, what generative AI really is, how LLMs are trained and where they fail, writing prompts that work in real use cases, controlling outputs, temperature, top P, tokens, cleaning and chunking data. RAG explained simply, vector databases and why they matter, LangChain, APIs, and tool usage. Without this layer, everything above it breaks. Phase 2, Agent Thinking and Behavior. This is where you stop chatting with AI and start building systems. What AI agents really are, agent frameworks and when to use them, building your first real agent workflows and reasoning, memory and performance tracking, multi-step planning and multi-agent systems, guardrails and safety layers. This is where AI becomes useful, not impressive. Phase 3, Real-world automation. This phase is about deployment, not demos. Connect agents to Slack, Notion, Gmail, run autonomous task loops, extend with APIs and Python tools, optimize speed, cost, and stability, deploy for real users. This is where AI turns into leverage. Now let's conclude the video. AI careers won't be won by people who know the most tools. They'll be won by people who understand the system. Learn depth first, then add breadth intentionally. That's how you don't miss the AI wave. That's all today. I'll meet you in another video. Now your turn. Like this video, subscribe to my channel to get regular AI updates. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and keep teaching.